Munganahalli, 110 kilometers away from Bangalore, a perennially drought-prone village of Kolar, one of the least literate districts of Karnataka. International business does not care about race, color, or about who comes from which section. Majority of population live below poverty line, making large chunk of the population remain illiterate. He called for greater autonomy for educational institutions and greater effort to build educational infrastructure. No other avenues of employment exist other than failed agriculture. There should be greater access to English medium schools for poor students. Yes, we are providing a greater access to English medium schools for poor students in the village of Munganahalli since 2002, good 5 years ahead of Mr. Narayan Murthy's wish. Pati Adinarayanaya Ramalakshmamma Vidya Samsthe was earlier adopted, developed and managed by Pati family, the well-known silk merchants from Bangalore whose forefathers hailed from this village. Over 250 students, both boys and girls, are being educated in this permanently unaided school which has both English and Kannada medium classes.
ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಜನ ಈ ಶಾಲೆನ ನೀವು ದತ್ತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಉಳಿಸಿ ಎಂದರು. ಏನ ದೈವಾನುಕೂಲ ಅದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. 5 ಎಕರೆ ಜಾಗ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಶಾಲಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾಳೆ ದಿವಸ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗಾಗಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ತಂದೆಯವರ ಹೆಸರಿಂದ ಈ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಾದ ನಾವು ಧನ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
The school building, presently with 6 rooms, stands on an extensive 5-acre campus in the outskirts of Munganahalli. Combined efforts of the students and the teachers have made the campus rich with greenery. The serenity of the campus is enhanced due to the large number of trees and a huge playground. Solar lights are the only believable source during nights, as the school building doubles up as a dormitory for students who stay back for guided self-study. Separate boarding facility for girls is also made available. 3 small tenable staff quarters is available for few teachers and security staff. A small audiovisual room equipped with few gadgets is made available for students to watch and learn in their own pace. Presently, this room also serves as a computer lab due to lack of additional rooms. This school, perhaps, is one of the first schools to get their students exposed to computers.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ಬೇರೆ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಬೇರೆ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಓದಿರೋದು ನನ್ನ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಹಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
Parv is unique in many ways. This school today is considered one of the best among rural high schools of Kolar district. Over 90% of the students pass 10th standard examination every year, whereas the corresponding figure for Kolar district is around 45%. A substantial number of the students pass in first class and a few with distinction. This is due to the efforts of school management and teachers who organize special preparatory classes and guided self-study, both residential.
To make them learn very good English, we have got our plans, and we have also got CDs regarding spoken language. We conduct spoken language classes for the students, conduct quiz programs. See, by that they are learning good English. And for the purpose of getting good results, we are arranging for night classes. 2 teachers will be there at school every day, every night, and they look after the students, both boys and girls.
This school is one of the earliest English medium schools, started by the local initiative and later supported by the community. The school does not get any governmental aid.
87-88 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು. ಈ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೋ ನಾವು 10 ವರ್ಷ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವು.
This is the only school that runs bridge courses every year to motivate the students who wish to join class 8. The teachers and the local activists contact more than 50 nearby villages and mobilize over 100 students for this bridge course of 10 days that empowers rural Kannada medium students to join English medium classes.
1988-89 ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಪಡೆದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಪ್ರಥಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ನಾನು ಆಗಾಗ ಇನ್ನು ತರಬೇತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಮುಂಗಾಣಲ್ಲಿ